Ciao a tutti, benvenuti sul mio canale Italian in a Minute. Today we're going to learn two of the most important Italian verbs for Italian beginners. Essere, avere. Essere, to be, avere, to have. These two verbs are essential, very important, and as an Italian beginner, you must know them. Let's learn in a very super easy way. So we're gonna start with the verb essere. Essere, double S. Essere. Don't say essere, but essere, okay? Which means to be, the infinite to be. Okay, so repeat after me. Io sono. Io sono. I am. Io sono. Io means I. Sono, am. Sometimes in a sentence, what you can do, you can just say sono without the need to actually put the pronoun there before the verb. So just say sono. Sono Mina. I am Amina. Io sono Mina. Sono Mina. Sono Mina is shorter. So Italian language is easy about these things because you can omit the pronoun because the pronoun is already included in the verb. So how easy is that? Io sono Mina. Sono Mina. Nice to meet you. Piacere. Now let's move on with the second pronoun. Tu. You are. How do you say you are in Italian? Tu sei. Tu sei. And as well here you can say just sei. Sei. Tu sei Amina. Sei Amina. That's it. Now, about the third pronoun, this is pretty interesting because the modern Italian, we don't actually use anymore egli, ella, like probably you will find, in textbooks. No, we don't have that anymore. Nobody says anymore like egli è, he is. Like it's very ancient, so we use lui, lei. So lui è, he is, lei è, she is. So lui, lei è. È means is. So please don't confuse this è with e. If you say it e means and. We are is noi siamo. Noi siamo. Or simply siamo. Voi siete. Or simply siete. Loro sono. Or simply sono. Io sono italiana. Okay? So I am Italian. I will say io sono italiana because I am a woman. And so I will say italiana. If you are a man or a boy, you will say io sono italiano. Okay? If you say, for example, tu sei, you are. So you will say you are Italian. Tu sei italiana if you are a girl, and italiano if you are a boy. If you say we are Italians, noi siamo italiani, because the ending e represents like the plural, okay? So we are Italians, so it would be noi siamo italiani, okay? Voi siete italiani is the same as noi siamo italiani. It would be plural. You all are Italian, so voi siete italiani. And loro sono, they are Italians, it would be the same. Loro sono italiani. So, noi, voi, loro, italiani. Io, tu, lui, lei. It depends on if you are a boy or a girl. So I'm gonna give you a tip here. So essere is used for identity, nationality, and if you are describing something. Let's recap our lesson today. Repeat after me. Io sono. tu sei, lui è, lei è, noi siamo, voi siete, loro sono. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If this lesson helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and comment. Io sto imparando l'italiano. Ciao, bravissimi e buona giornata. I'll see you. Ciao ciao.